Hey everybody, it's Bo here with Square Scrub, the people who are passionate about floors. Over the past 5 years, the fastest growing floor in North America has been luxury vinyl tile and sheet goods. People love this floor because it doesn't require the same amount of maintenance that VCT does, where you have to apply a protective coating and then maintain it. The challenge is because you've got a relatively unprotected floor that often has texture marks to imitate a wood grain or some sort of pattern. Those texture marks trap and hold soil and particulate from mops and auto scrubbers and just foot traffic. This can give the floor an unclean appearance and make it very difficult to clean. In a worst case, those texture marks could harbor a biofilm. The solution is the Battmop from Square Scrub. The Battmop can be used daily, replacing a flat mop and combining the size of a flat mop with the power of an auto scrubber with 4,100 RPMs of orbital cleaning power. Pair the Battmop, which has no cord and has the freedom of movement of a battery-powered unit, with single-use microfibers, and you've got a system that doesn't require you to transport or launder contaminated microfiber mop heads. Until next time, remember, all it takes is a little elbow grease.